Hey y'all, it's me. I got a couple of housekeeping duties to take care of and an unboxing from Mary Maxim. And that's about it. But the housekeeping I need to do quickly. Um, a few videos ago, I'm not sure how many, I can't remember. I asked y'all a question about your blanket that you were working on. And those of you who were on that video know exactly what I'm talking about. Uh, But Deborah Richardson, you need to get in touch with me. I need you to email me your address and your name, and I need something to prove that you're you because you're a new one. I haven't had you win anything before, or get a hold of anything before. So if you can, or if anybody knows Deborah Richardson, I need you to email me, sweetie, because you got the little happy. Okay. So you're good. That was one. Now two. I still only have 145, so I've got to go back and get more people off that thing. I've got over 480 entries into the fairy thing. Y'all, that thing's gonna be a monster. And yeah, I understand that some people are gonna unsubscribe whenever they don't win, and I hate that. But I can't afford to give everybody something. So I mean, I've got the fairies and I've got my monster winner. So those are the only two things I've planned for. And who knows? I may decide, later on get a wild hair and decide to go through my subs and grab somebody and send them a little happy. Um, But that's about it. Oh y'all, I went real subtle with the hair this time, and I think I went a little too subtle because I got the pink, I got the purples, I got the greens, but the only color that shows up is this yellow. Well, a little pink right down there if y'all can see it. But I mean, literally the only thing showing up is this yellow. But I did it because I got to go somewhere with my sister, and I was trying to keep her from being embarrassed. So I went for a softer look. Yeah, it was a little too soft. But that's okay, because my month ain't over yet. I still got a couple of more hair colors in me to get. Two or three at least. At least until my drawing. And then you guys will see me back in my regular hair occasionally. I'll have the other. Now, I'm fixed to open this Mary Maxim. Um, It's too big for me to pop up on my lap, y'all. It's one of those bags and it's dirty as all get out. Y'all know that they mailed them in those bags now. And those bags and those trucks get real dirty. Filthy dirty. So I don't particularly want it in my lap. So I'm not going to put it in my lap. But here we go. No! Wrong again. It's Herschner's. Y'all are gonna, yeah, Herschner's. They've got their summer yarns on a flyer this time with. Oh, it's a bigger flyer. Oh, I like that summer tone. Look at that toad, y'all. It's pretty. I keep wanting to do that, but I keep forgetting. They got their hand dyed Hanks again on sale for $5.99, which is not bad, y'all. All right, y'all gonna recognize some of this. Recognize it? Yeah, I can see I'm doing another one of these blankets. And the name on this is Tunnel Vision. It's a black, gray, and white. I just absolutely love it. And for those of y'all who've never ordered Herschner's worsted weight, it's a little rough, and I don't particularly care but they're the only ones that have all the colors, the different styles that I need in one place, in one yarn. And I like to stay consistent with yarn. But they also come with these little pull things that whenever you pull it out, it makes it easy to work with. And I've never had a problem with it. I've always been able to pull and go. So they've got that going for them. I mean, I like herschners, don't get me wrong. They're worsted weight. I must have ordered some off one time because the ones I got one time was just so rough I couldn't work with them. They were tearing my hands up. But these are a lot softer, it feels like. Wonder if they changed. No, it's still made in China. This is. Oh, I got different browns this time. This is pecan. I like this color. It's kind of a light, I don't know, light tan, a dark tan. And of course, the pull tab. Love this little pull tabs. Oh my goodness. Y'all walked out in the rain to take care of the dogs the other day, and I think I got a cold from it. Yeah, I know I shouldn't have walked out in the rain. My sister told me that after. But she was sweet about it because she kind of laughed at me. It is kind of funny when you stop and think about it because I should have more sense. But she says that I get on, that I blame her for everything, and I don't. She's a great girl. We're having fun. She said we're going walking again. I said not tomorrow. We'll go Saturday because I'm just not in the mood. This is walnut, which is a lot darker. No, it's the same. It's the same brown as this right here. I wanted a different medium brown. I think it was that I wanted to get a different medium, and I had to get black this time because I have no black left to do on my little squares. So I will be working with this. And I have duplicates of the walnut, the pecan. Yeah, all that's duplicates. And I got the Red Heart catalog. And then I also picked up a different color red. This is more of a maroonish color. Back here, as you can tell, it's a lot brighter. So I'm hoping it'll look a little different. It probably will. It'll probably pop a little bit better. And this is Victorian red. It's not bright in your face red. It's more of a dullish red, but it's real pretty. It is much prettier than I expected it to be. Because, I was kind of nervous about the red because bright red and that may not look all that great. But this, which is a little more dull, probably go with the colors a little bit better. But, that's it. That's all for this blanket behind me. Yay! That was Mayor Maxim. I can't remember what I got. But, Deborah, yeah, email. The address is down in the comment, the details below. If y'all want to leave me a comment saying hey or talking about what you're working on, I would love to read them. As y'all know, I read every single comment. I've read every single comment from the Christmas fairies videos, the one that I'm pulling from, and I still got to go get more Christmas fairies. I don't know who I forgot. And then, no, I know I forgot Krista, the Secret Yarnery. Go, Krista. Woohoo. I'm glad to see she's participating. Dana, thank you. Dana from Wanderlust Crochet, thank you so very much for all the hard work. And it's been hard work. I know it has. It's been like herding cats. Hard work that you put in putting this together because you've made it so fun. That is one of the most top comments I get in all on my videos with the Christmas and July fairies videos. How fun it is to go looking for every fairy. And you're wonderful for putting it together. So, thank you. You're amazing anyway. But, thank you again. That's about it, y'all. I have just literally been working on willow squares. I told you I was going to be working with all my scraps. I have a lot of scraps. So, I've been working with them. And I have 2 neon colors coming up. That's going to be interesting. They're the only neon colors I have, so I don't know if I want to put them in. Yeah, I may have to do something different with them because I don't know if I want them in a blanket with all my other colors because it would just look awful. It would look garish because it's like lime green, and then one of them is like it's a variegated neon. So I don't know how it would look put together, but it probably wouldn't look all that great. But I'll think of something. Um, but yeah, that's all I've been working on. I've got about, I don't know, 20, 25 done. Um, just steadily working on them in between naps. No, I'm only kidding. Although I did just get up from one. You can probably see how red my face is because that's from laying on a pillow. But yeah, every once in a while, I'm exhausted to a point where I got a nap during the day. And I normally don't because I won't sleep at night. I don't sleep at night anyway, but just make sure I don't sleep at night. But I just wanted to get on here and do those updates, unbox, and then say hello, and also let everybody know that I picked the person for the blankets that we commented on, and this is the secret winner is Deborah Richardson. Is it? Yeah, Deborah Richardson. Okay, y'all don't make fun because that was really fast to forget something. It's been a week. Y'all take care of yourself, and I will talk to y'all later. Have a blessed week. Enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy your weekend, and catch up with some of the other videos. Like Madonna's got her Yarny Good News out again, which I love that series. And you know, everybody else is putting out videos. Summer, Rose, everybody. So I mean, there's a video, at least two, coming out every single day now. So I'm having trouble. Y'all take care, and I will talk to you later. Bye.